All right, hello traders and welcome to Simple Forex Setups. Today I'm going to share my screen and go through a number of the charts. So let's get started. Let's share screen. All right, so the first chart that I'm looking at is the GBPCAD. It's a trade that I entered yesterday, and that's in progress at the moment. So if you were following on the Telegram group, you would have those entry and exit criteria. If you want to, you can copy them now. But that's currently in for a short. The next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is the GBPUSD. So with this currency pair, I am now looking at a long, as the daily direction is still looking like it might be going up. So looking to enter on the 4-hourly. If I get some kind of either further pullback towards this trend line or some kind of sideways movement here, and then a strong price action going up. So looking for a long on this currency pair. The next chart I'm going to have a look at is the USDJPY. So here I'm looking at a long position just at that horizontal support line. At the moment it's going sideways, so just seeing if there is going to be any bullish price action there, and would still be looking to enter a long position on that pair. The next currency pair I'm looking is GBPJPY. So this one on the daily, I'm still looking at a long position, potentially looking for the price to come back to the trend line a little bit further. So on the 4-hourly for the entry, I'm looking for somewhere around here, or the price action going sideways for a bit along these tops here as well. So let's see what happens with that. Next currency pair I'm looking at is AUDUSD. So on this one at the moment I'm looking for a short as the daily direction there. Price is pretty much almost at that trend line, so just looking now for a reversal in the opposite direction, and would be looking to short that. Next currency pair is EURUSD. So with EURUSD at the moment, I'm looking at a short, but looking for potentially a reversal there or at the trend line. So looking for either some price action around here, around this area, or further up there if it comes back. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURJPY. So with EURJPY, I'm looking at a long at the moment. Just need that price to come back down a little bit. I'm not really interested in the sideways movement here, probably more of a pullback on this one. If I can pull that one down, yeah, probably around here a little bit further down. And the next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Euro AUD. So Euro at the moment, I'm still looking for a short, but it is getting a little bit squeezed there. So that short would have to start a little bit further up in line with these areas here. Next currency pair I'm having a look at is EUROGBP. So that one, I'm still looking for a short on that as well, around this area. So let's see what happens here, if it comes back down or not. But yeah, still looking for a short-term short on that one. And the last currency pair that I'm going to have a look at is USDCAD. So with USDCAD, I'm short on this one. However, there's a bit of a consolidation happening, and there was that massive bullish engulfing there at the support line. So probably being a little bit cautious with this one. Maybe looking for a short high up and possibly reducing risk on this one. So that is the summary. Let me know if you have any questions on those. Let me just open the chat box. Here we go. If you need a link to the Telegram group, I'll post it in there for any trade updates and extra trade setups as we go along. And we will have another show at 1 p.m. today. So the shows are now going to be every Wednesday at 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. Singapore time. All right, so if there are no questions, nope. Okay, thank you very much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you later on this afternoon at 1 p.m. Bye for now.